All right, one more update on our very high fire danger for today for Friday, December the 19th. I'm recording this around 7 a.m. I'm going to walk you through what to expect both in Denver and in the foothills and in the mountains. Very different stories as we go from the foothills to Denver as well as to the mountains. So start things off with the area of highest concern. That is going to be Highway 93, Boulder, Golden, Morrison, the higher areas of Conifer, Genesee, Evergreen, Bailey, as well as on north a little bit through Jamestown, the Peak to Peak Highway, and down into places like Niwot and Lines. Now, the cutoff is going to be very, very sharp and distinct. I've been talking about this the last few days, that this event is going to be a bit more concentrated in the foothills. And how far east those 80 to 110 mile an hour winds go, that's of course going to be a big, big thing that we're watching for today. But the cutoff looks to be somewhere around West Arvada, down through the very kind of the Table Mountains in Golden, and then on north, right along the Highway 93 corridor, right around Lines, Niwot. Now, east of there, and getting into the Denver forecast, Denver, most areas will not see a bunch of wind today. We'll see more of our wind tonight. So similar to the event that we had back on Wednesday, a lot of you might be going, wait, where's the wind? It most likely doesn't arrive until about 4, 5, 6 o'clock or so this evening and after dark. And worth noting, the wind in Denver will not be as intense as what we're going to get in the foothills. So the foothills, 80 to 110 mile an hour winds. In Denver, 40 to 50 to maybe 60 mile an hour winds for us. And most of that comes tonight. In the foothills and the kind of prime zone in terms of where we're expecting those strongest winds, the worst the wind will be between about now and about sunset. Between now about 5, maybe 6 o'clock. That's when you get the worst of the wind. In the mountains, we'll get some mountain snow back in the picture tomorrow and on Sunday. There's a winter weather advisory for the northern mountains as well. But in the mountains, we're going to be talking about the worst of the wind really through the day today, and then that wind does back off for tomorrow. Even tomorrow on Saturday, December the 20th, it's still going to be windy. It's just not going to be as concerning. It's going to be a higher relative humidity event for tomorrow, and winds won't be nearly as strong as what we're talking about today. So again, top line takeaway, worst of the wind, base of the foothills, Highway 93, Boulder, Golden, Morrison, between now and about 5 o'clock, 80 to 110 mile an hour winds, and higher concern than usual because of the dry air mass, how warm it's going to be. By the way, record high today in Denver today. It's going to be around 70 degrees for us, which is going to break the daily record. And, of course, it's been really dry of late as well.